brick is there, mostly there in Eastern India. People are not getting the quality red bricks, and clay is not available, coal is not available, or the wood is not available for making a quality bricks. So what we thought, and mostly in Eastern region, the cement is based on the slag-based cement. And the slag, to produce a slag, you need to have a captive power plant. The captive power plant generates huge amount of fly ash. So that fly ash has been dumped outside, and you have to have more, it has more environmental impact. And the most of the steel plants has approached us, why don't you use that fly ash? But that fly ash we cannot use in cement. So we try to promote these kind of materials by making a fly ash bricks or concrete blocks or aerated concrete blocks, which is there been picking up now in some part of India. We call it that is a green building center. Anybody can become that green building center entrepreneurship, which will have a ACC branding and quality control practices established by us, and then they can produce and sell the product in the market. That is getting success in northern part of India and eastern part of India. It is getting, we are struggling here to get the partners. But of course in Bangalore we established there in Bangarpet one such project, which is going to startly commission there. So this is what it is. Thanks. Thank you so much. Any questions? We do a lot of research, and we come across a lot of presentation on various type of concrete, various type of materials. But when we go there, it's like normally, we keep our house clean. When we go there, you do nonsense. It is like that. We study a lot of things, but in implementation, it is very poor. So that is very much lagging. That I was interacting with Professor Narayanan in US. You will get a ready-mix concrete if you want to construct a house, or you will get a back concrete. Okay. In India, whatever you want to have a comfortness, you want high reactive cement OPC, you will get it. You want a blended cement, you will get it. You want river sand, even it is band also, you will get it. River sand band also, you will get the river sand. If you want aggregates, which is flaky, actually it's not supposed to be more than 35% or 40%, which is going to create a bleeding and segregation. You will say that funda to the contractor, but still you use that. So that is what it is. We badly use this material, and we don't take care of the materials there in the, how to use that material is not been there in the practice. You just go and, most of the professors, their institutes, I'm sorry, please send the students not to the raw RMX sites or the project sites. Send to the students for the site mix concrete or site based constructions. They will learn a lot. Site mix, RMC, what they have a batching plan. In RMC also a lot of practices are there, which is actually, it's not as acceptable range. One, it will goes there, concrete silo, there's a material which goes to the mixture, which is showing the monitor is different from the material which goes there. That is also there. But that is actually, most of the contractors or the builders lost the confidence on that part also. That is also reality. But if you go to the individual house segment, people use this material very badly. And you see, we talk about self-compacting concrete. And what is ideal slump range for making a good concrete in the site without adding admixture? Ideally slump range, 100 mm. So we call it as a 120 mm is a requirement. You go there, you will get more than 120, 250. It is like a self-compacting concrete. It is a completely self-compacting. Nobody uses vibrator nowadays. Nobody uses vibrators. And they says that I completed the concrete at 1 o'clock, sir. Evening when I come there are a lot of cracks. You use when you use that 250 mm slump flowable self-compacting concrete with an ordinary cement, all the cement particle comes on the top. Just scrap it, you will get the cement completely. Then obviously it will have cracks. That is there. It is a reality there in field. And the students who is going to come out from these institutes should go and at least practice a good construction practice. If you educate the masons, they will do good work. That is very important, which is actually not there. Most of the people look at the cost benefit they gives there, and no contractors, no engineers go and monitor the concreting there in the site. Thank you so much. Any doubt, we will discuss during the break time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your nice lecture. I now request Professor Verghese George, sir, Head of the Civil Engineering Department, NITK Surathkal, to present a memento to Dr. R. Manikandan, sir, for his insightful lecture. Thank you, sir.